Something about an easy thing. Something about it comes so naturally. Let me show you what I'm all about. Give me those good vibes. Give me that sunshine. I'm gonna make them all mine. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yeah. I got a good thing, and I just can't get enough. Woo-hoo-hoo. Give me more. Give me more, 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 more. Give me more, baby. You got that thing that I'm looking for. Give me more. Give me more. Give me more, 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 more. Yeah, yeah. No doubt about it. You're what I'm looking for. Yeah, give me more. Give me more. Yeah, give me more. Something about it stirs my soul. Something about it gets me smiling. Every day is all I think about. Give me more.
Finally mine.
So we're all here because we want to support you, right? We want to be proud of you, and we want to remind you that love isn't simply happy ever after. Love is the experience of writing your story. It's not one moment, it's not even this moment, it's every moment.
Sure love you, sweetie.
Love you too.
Love you more than the moon, the stars, the planet, the earth. You are my everything, darling.
You too.
I love you so much. I love the family that we've made together and the family that we have here and just the pillar that you've become and watched you grow over the last years. And I just couldn't, I think I've waited for this day my whole life, and I'm just so glad you're the other person standing right beside me.
Oh, it's beautiful. Kathy would be proud.
I know. I love that. And then
Oh, darling.
kisses.
Your love is finally mine. You've been running circles in my mind. Oh, I've been searching and looking and wishing and dreaming for so long.
I think our hearts have pulled both families very close together, and I really do appreciate it. Courtnie, Steve, I love you.
I'll forever be there to laugh with you, to listen to music with you, to lift you up when you are down. And I love you unconditionally. And that is why we're here.
Leave my
Do you have to see a man on his knees just to keep your baby from leaving? Oh, what I gotta do to make you give a little love to me, honey? You just blow my mind. Hey, girl, you get me every time. Now, what I gotta do to make you
mom the day I met you that I met the love of my life. And I meant it. And now we're here and we're making that happen. And you are the love of my life. And I can't wait for all the adventures on.
You have two special people watching? I don't know.
We do.
I love you dearly, and I'm just excited for this moment.
So by the virtue and authority vested in me by the state of Texas, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss your bride.